Hi guys, right, we're going to do a video on column subtraction today, so that will be able to help you with your home learning. So I've got two calculations on my whiteboard today. I've got 568 take away 239, okay, and then 731 take away 453. So let's start with the top one. Now remember, it's exactly like column addition where I have to line them up into my hundreds, tens and ones. So I'm going to do that now, and I'm going to make sure I don't get them all squashed up together, because if I do, remember, that's when we start to make mistakes. If you have lined paper at home, remember, squared paper at home, remember it's 1 digit per square. So that is what it should look like. All of my ones in my ones column, the tens in my tens column, and the hundreds in the hundreds column. Now, what column do we start with again? Is it the same as addition or different? Tell someone at home. Well done. It is the ones again. It's the same as column addition, isn't it? We start with the ones again. Now, let's have a look at this. 8 take away 9. Put 8 fingers up. All right, I've got 8 fingers up. Can I take away 9? I can't, can I? Because 9 is a bigger number. So remember, this is when we use my rhyme to help you. Remember, more on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, move next door. So I need to go to next door, and I'm going to knock on his door, and I'm going to say, hello, Mr. 10, can I have one? And he's going to say, take one, but exchange it. So I'm going to take one of those 10s, okay, and I'm going to smash it up so 10 ones fall out. So I'm going to take that. What's 1 less than 6? Well done, it's 5. I'm going to cross that 6 out, change that for a 5, and put that 10 in front of the 8 to make 18. Okay, I'm going to put 9 in my head, and I'm going to count on until I get to 18. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How many fingers have I got up? 9. Well done. So that means my answer is 9. Okay, 9. Super. Right, now I need to move to my tens column. This time I've got 5 take away 3. What's 5 take away 3? Remember, if you're not sure, 5 fingers up, take 2 away. How many are you left with? 3, aren't you? Oh, no, I only took 2 away. 2. And then 5 take away 2. Okay, so I've got 5 fingers, and this time I'm going to take 2 fingers away, and I'm left with 3. So my answer to that one is 329. Now let's have a look at this bottom one. So it's a little bit tricky, and I'm trying to trick you. Can you make sure you don't get tricked by using our rhyme to help you? Remember, more on the floor, move next door. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to line that up into my hundreds, tens and ones. So 731. I'm going to put in my takeaway sign so I remember what calculation I'm doing. Okay, take away 453, and I'm going to make my equals box at the bottom. Right, remember, start with your ones. So I've got 1, take away 3. Can I take away 3 from my 1? I can't, so where do I need to go? Next door. Remember, more on the floor, go next door. So I'm going to knock on my 10, and I'm going to say, please, Mr. 10, can I have 1? And he's going to say, take 1 and regroup it. Well done. So I'm going to take 1 from my 3. I'm going to make that a 2, because that's 1 less than 3, and give my 10 to my 1 to make 11. So now this time I've got 11 take away 3. So I'm going to put 3 in my head and count on to 11 this time, and see how many fingers I have up. So I've got 3 in my head, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers have I got up? 8. Well done. I've got 8 fingers up. Super. Right, let's move to my tens colour. Let's see what I have to do this time. 2. So I'm going to put my 2 fingers up. 2, take away 5. Can I take away 5? I can't. You're right. Well done. So again, remember, more on the floor. If the bigger number is on the floor, you need to move next door. This time we're going to go to 100 and we're going to knock on the door. We're going to say, please, Mr. 100, can I have one? And he's going to say, take one and regroup it. So this time I'm going to smash my hundreds up. So I've got 10 sticks. So I'm going to cross my 7 out. Make that a 6 because 1 less than 7 is a 6, and give that to my tens column. So this time I've got 12, take away 5, so I'm going to put 5 in my head to count until I get to 12. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What this time? 7, well done. And then 6, take away 4. Put 4 in your head, count until you get to 6. 4, 5, 6. 2 fingers up. So 2 is my answer. So my answer to 731, take away 453 is 258. I hope that has helped, guys, to help you with your home learning. I'll be back for another video soon. Bye.